Unlock the power to draw attention and guide your viewers' eyes with animated lines in Premiere Pro. Let's dive into Premiere Pro and learn how to create these eye-catching animations. First, ensure you have a sequence open. We'll start by selecting the pen tool from the toolbar. You can find it here, typically represented by an icon that looks like a fountain pen nib. With the pen tool active, click on your program monitor to place your first point, then click again to place your second point, creating a straight line. To create a curved line, click and drag when placing your second point. You'll see handles appear that you can manipulate to control the curve shape. Once your line is drawn, we need to bring it to life. Select the shape layer containing your line in the timeline. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel, find the Stroke property under Shape, and click the stopwatch icon next to Stroke Width. This sets your first keyframe. Move the playhead to the beginning of your clip in the timeline, and set the stroke width to 0 now. Move the playhead further down the timeline, perhaps a few seconds ahead, and increase the stroke width to your desired thickness. Premiere Pro automatically creates a second keyframe, animating the line's stroke thickness. To make the line appear to draw itself, we can animate the trim path property under the same shape properties in Effect Controls. Find Add, click on Add and select Trim Paths. Click the stopwatch icon next to End. Set the playhead at the start of your clip and set the end value to 0%. Move the playhead further down the timeline to where you want the line to be fully drawn, and set the end value to 100%. This creates a beautiful drawing animation. You can also explore animating the start property of trim paths for a different effect, or even combine several of these techniques to create more complex and engaging animated lines for your videos.